Okay, so the intro, A minor, then 5 on the low, and then 2 on the middle, and then I just slide up from anywhere, it doesn't really matter, up to D, which is 7, and I do it basically 5, 1 and 2 and 3. Like that. And I do that again. This is kind of my arrangement of it. I think it's pretty close, but you can decide for yourself. To get into the verse, I go 0, 1, then it's A minor. I use the same rhythm for everything. So it's like 1, 2, and 3, 4. Just like that. Then it goes to D and does that. And then here it's kind of interesting. It goes to an E chord, an E sus 2 or 9, because they're the same note, they're an octave apart. So one book will say 9, one book will say 2. Sus means there's no third, it's been suspended. And there's a rhythm to this. Like that. 1, 2, 3. That's the way I hear it. 1 and 2, 3. And sometimes I throw in a little up when I'm doing it up to speed. And then it goes to E minor. Yeah, see I threw in a little extra there. Anything like that will work just great. You do all that again, right? And then I go to C on the 5th. Same rhythm, A minor, and then B, and I stop there. I know you can try to fit that last one in if you want, but this chord up here, this is A minor sus. It's actually on the and of 4. It anticipates the next measure. In other words, it comes in early. So in order to do it and get everything in, see, even slowed down, you have to go pretty quick. So my suggestion is to leave out that last and just stop there, and the length of time it takes you to get here will actually put it right in the right spot. So I'll play that part for you. See, that should have sounded a little early, almost out of place, but that's what it's supposed to be. And then, of course, we head into the cool part. Okay, I'm going to crank up my flanger here for the next part. Well, I guess I probably didn't need to play it quite that many times, but if you're anything like me, once you learn that lick, you're going to get addicted to it. It's such a cool lick. And it's very simply open middle string, 4 middle string, 2 on the high string, and then 5-5. I use my second and third finger, 5-5, 5 on the low, 5 on the middle, then 4 on the high. Here's my first finger there. At the C major 7th chord, they're just kind of cool. And then I move my second finger down 1 fret, and I go 4, 0, 0. And then the low string open. And then I go up here to 7, and I go low, middle, high, middle. Low, middle, high, middle. I'll do it real slow. One more time slow. Hope you have fun with that. Have a great day.